Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change location on Zara. First of all, launch open the Zara application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged into the main home page of Zara, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the bottom right corner. From the menu that pops up on the screen, go ahead and tap on Location. Now tap on Location once again and then choose a different location you want to change to. Select the location and click on the Continue button. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your location on the Zara account. Now your currency, language and product availability will match the selected country. So that's how you can easily change your location on Zara. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.